Hey y'all! Tired of messing with tiny scoops or sharp roots? What if you could dig and move soil like a pro with one tool? This Garden Weasel Potting Scoop is a must-have. Let's dig in! Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your top spot for the best gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing the Garden Weasel Potting Scoop. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing SmartBloom crew. The Garden Weasel Potting Scoop is an oversized, heavy-duty hand tool that digs, cuts, and scoops like a champ. Made from rust-resistant aluminum iron, it's got a serrated tip to slice through roots and bags, plus a deep scoop to move soil with less mess. Perfect for planting, transporting, or clearing beds. Say goodbye to weak tools. Here's how to use it in 3 easy steps, y'all. Step 1. Use the serrated tip to cut open soil bags or break clumps. No knife needed. Step 2. Dig into the soil with that deep scoop for perfect planting holes. Step 3. Scoop and move soil or compost with tall sides to keep it tidy. Gardening made simple. I tested this scoop in my Georgia backyard to plant some peppers, and it was a breeze. The serrated edge cut through a root like butter, and the deep scoop moved twice the soil of my old trowel. Pro tip: rinse it after use to keep that aluminum iron shiny. Some folks say it's a bit heavy, so take breaks if needed. Bonus tip: use it to open fertilizer bags. Saves time. Here's why I'm loving this scoop, y'all. Prow's tough aluminum iron build, serrated tip for cutting, and that deep scoop moves more soil. Perfect for any gardener. Cons? It's a tad heavy and not great for tiny pots. But wow, it made my planting so much fun. I feel like a pro. Do you hate digging messes? Tell me in the comments. This scoop's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who love planting or moving soil. It's great for raised beds or big pots. Not ideal for super small containers or light tasks, though. Ready to dig like a pro? Grab the Garden Weasel Potting Scoop on Amazon. Link below, y'all. What's your favorite garden task? Share in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Loved this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard thriving.